while Bitcoin is struggling to go above $4,000 level, I would like to share with you guys one interesting chart, and I hope it would be very optimistic one because it really shows very strong signal for the trend reversal in the global scale. So if we'll switch to the monthly chart, and I will go probably to Bitstamp here. By the way, you'll see these two green nice candles, very promising. So if you will switch to monthly chart and also Heikin Ashi representation of the chart, and again I was talking about this type of candles before, so you can check my previous videos, but generally what it does, it shows you, and let's switch to the weekly chart to have a better representation. So it shows you the general trend. For example, you have the red candles without the upper shadows, which indicates the bearish trend, and if you have green candles without the bottom shadow, you would have the indication of rising trend. And when you have the change between those trends, you often can see this kind of candles, which is called doji candles, with a long wicks up and down and very small body. So very often it can be used for the trading, these reversals. And if you will switch to the monthly chart, in principle you don't see that much of the reversal signal on the Bitcoin price. Although we have so many red candles, there were some mixed signals because of the candles had upper shadows, but then recently just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles without upper shadow, and finally this small candle has both shadows and it's actually a small body, so it looks like a doji, but it's still red. But now if you will switch to the total capitalization, this one, you will see that actually the situation here was even more bearish. So there were like 8 to 9 red candles without the upper shadow, and also it was like this nice wedge. So recently these three candles have the tendency to have shorter bodies, and finally we even had some wick here at this red candle, and this one in March actually is green. You see it is green, it is above this trend line. It also has the highest volume. Well, people say it's a fake volume and everything, but well, you can argue about that because everywhere it was the same fake volume, so the portion should be relatively the same here. So anyway, we have the just without the volume, we have this doji candle, a green one above the trend line, very different from the previous red candles, which in principle should indicate the reversal of the trend. There was a bearish trend, now it should be the bullish trend. I shall also say that the Heikin Ashi reversal signals are delayed. So it means that the market was reversed actually a little bit before that, 1-2 candles before that, maybe this candle at least. And the fact that it actually appears on the monthly time frame adds a lot of value to the fact that somewhere around here there was already the signs of the reversal. So in my opinion, guys, as usual, not financial advice, it is very promising thing. And also I looked at the top 10 altcoins with Heikin Ashi on monthly time frame, and you can see that they all show very similar pattern except maybe BNB. So they have this bearish trend for a long time, and then finally some of them even have these green candles already, like Litecoin, EOS and Cardano. Actually, this chart looks just beautiful. You see how this line goes just very nicely to the bottom and then returning to the growth, if it will actually happen. But anyway, it also has this green candle with a little wick. So those three already show the reversal signals. But again, if you'll take into account that Heikin Ashi is the delayed indicator, then probably somewhere around here we already have the signs of the reversal. So Ether has this candle with the upper wick, and Stellar also has the same thing, and well, not mentioning BNB, of course, it's already going up, and Tron already had 2 green candles. Now it is sort of correcting, but we may expect it to be going up eventually as well. The same with Bitcoin Cash. Well, a little bit worse situation with XRP, because you see the growth was a little bit before that in September and October, and then we have very similar red candles, and it doesn't really change much right now, so it's not clear how long it will last until we'll see the green candle and the reversal. But anyway, all of them have at least some signs of the change of the trend from bearish to bullish. And a lot of people are seeing this as an opportunity to enter, especially even for those altcoins which didn't have the green candles yet, like Litecoin or EOS, but will have those like Ether or Stellar or even Bitcoin Cash. So it is up to you to either make a sort of a safe bet or maybe to buy some so-called blood in the streets while the price is so low. In fact, if you look at the price of Ether, it's not $100, for example, anymore. So it's already higher than its previous local low. And buying now, we're not really catching the bottom, but we are a little bit before than the actual signal for the trend reversal by Heikin Ashi will appear. Okay, I hope it was useful. Just wanted to share with you some optimism about the next year. And let's hope that we all will have some nice gains during 2019 and beyond. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.